Hello, it's Margaret from Silesian Quilt. Today I want to show you how to change foot for free motion quilting, like this. So first, if you want to use a non-standard quilting foot, you have to unscrew the standard foot, like this. Screw the special quilting foot. And now I have to adjust the height of the foot. How to do it? So, loosen the screw, put the sandwich like this, lower foot. You see? Oh. It's a loose. One more. It's a loose. The foot is down position, and now tighten the screw gently and try to move the sandwich under the foot. And like this. It has to move freely. If you have trouble moving like this, the foot position is too low. If you have trouble passing the thread, the foot position is too high. I will show you mistake, like this. Now the foot is too low. I cannot move the sandwich freely. Now the foot position is too high and the thread passes through the stitch. You see, this is mistake. Sometimes it happens that the thread lets through the stitch like this. The reason is the slow operation of the machine and the fast moving on the sandwich. Usually, this is when you are making a quick turn to the right or left. If you have such a problem, you need to adjust the sewing speed to the speed of moving the sandwich. The problem will dissolve itself. Each time you change the type of batting, you should try to move the sandwich and tie the thread. Now my foot position is correct and I show you my free motion quilting. My speed is perfect and my loop is good. If you helped my tutorial, give me a thumbs up. If you want to be up to date, subscribe Silesian Quilt YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye bye.